Derivation of volume of a sphere. For the volume of a sphere, we have to take at first cylinder. And we know that volume of cylinder is base area into height. And your base area is circle. So pi r square. And when its height is h, then its volume became pi r square h. And when cone is formed from the cylinder of same height and same base, then volume of cone becomes 1/3 of volume of cylinder. It means when cone of same radius and same height is equal to the radius of the sphere, then volume of two cone equals volume of a sphere. Here volume of one cone is pi r square h by 3, then another cone is also pi r square h by 3. When you add these two, we get volume of a sphere. Here radius of cone and radius of a sphere is same. When diameter of a sphere is turned as height, it means that height is equal to the height of the cone. It means h or height of cone is equals to diameter of sphere. The h equals to r plus r 2r. Now already we written there volume of a cone is equals to pi r square h by 3. The h is converted into 2r, then pi r square into r into 2r, then 2 pi r cube by 3. Now we sums it. We keep the numerical coefficient value in one side and this here, then what you get? 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now denominator is same, so the LCM of 3 is 3 and numerator can be added 2 plus 2 4. It means it converts into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thus volume of a sphere became 4 by 3 pi r cube.